little ninja bun or whatever this bun is called. I don't even know. It's trending, girl. I'm 34. I don't know what it's called. It's called cute.
Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on how the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul.
To my channel. Today, you guys, we are doing a different video. It's not a get ready with me, and it's not really a tutorial, but it is how I transform my wig into this hairstyle that I'm currently wearing, guys. So I know I'm on here looking a little different or whatever, and I ain't even mad about it. Like, it is so cute. It turned out really, really cute to me, and you guys can comment right now down below. Let me know what you guys think of this simple half up, half down little ninja bun or whatever this bun is called. I don't even know. It's trending, girl. I'm 34. I don't know what it's called. It's called cute. Anyway, if you guys want to check that out, please continue to watch. Before we jump into this video, I want to say hello to all of my new babies. And if you're new here and you have never clicked on one of my videos, it's your first time, hello, how are you doing? My name is Cece, and here on my channel, I like to focus on faith, fashion, fitness, and some beauty. And I'm also on a sister-like journey that I'm documenting, and it is hidden up under this wig, baby. But if you're interested in any of those things or how I got this look that I'm rocking, please be sure to subscribe, like the video if you do enjoy, hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of your girls' uploads, okay? And let's jump right into this video, okay?
Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, babe. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, babe. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town, babe. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy to snap. This in between us, it's not like a score, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. Hey, they say they doing all this and all that.
I'm in the trenches, relax. Can you not put that little boy in the club? Cause we do not listen to rats. We in Atlanta, I buy her weed. She telling me Tay is the best. Point at them niggas who act like a killer, but you only one from the neck. I'm like the baby, I'm not just a rapper. You play with me, you won't get stressed.
Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory, yeah. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy to snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. Hey, time. 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 Hey, time.
a lot about sin. I hear a lot about sin. Don't think that I'll be a saint. Don't think that I'll be a saint. But I might go down to the red. I might go down to the red. There's a way that the sky opens up when we touch it. It's making me say that the way you hold me, 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 hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we end another second? There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. I don't do well with the drama. I don't do well with the drama. And no, I can't stand it being fake. And no, I can't stand it being fake. I don't believe in her. I don't believe in her. But the way that we love in the night gave me life, baby. I can't explain it. The way you hold me, 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 hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we end another second? There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. They say we're too young and the pimps and the players say don't go crushing. Wise men say fools rushing, but I don't know. They say we're too young and the pimps and the players say don't go crushing. Wise men say fools are rushing, but I don't know. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we another second? Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we another second? Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we another second? There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, feel so holy. Touch me, let's open, this open. Touch me, let's open, this open.
The first that pleases the Father. Might be the hardest to take. When you come out of the water, I'm a believer, my heart is fleshy. Life is short with a temper, like Joe Pesci. They always come and sing your praises, your name is catchy. But they don't see you how I see you, Parlay and Desi. Cross tween, Hesse, hit the jet ski. When they get messy, go lefty, like Lionel Messi. Let's take a trip and get the best buzz, or rent a jet ski. I know the spots that got the best speed, we going next week. I wanna honor you. Rise grown, I'm my father's child. I know when the son takes the first step, the father's proud. If you make it to the water, he'll part the clouds. I know he made you a snack like Oscar Proud. Suffer it to be so now, gotta clean it up. Formalize the union and communion he can trust. I know I ain't leaving you like I know he ain't leaving us. I know we believe in God and I know God believes in us.
The way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. And the way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy, 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 holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we end another second? There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy. Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we end another second? Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we end another second? Oh God, running to the altar like a track star. Can we end another second? There's a way you hold me, hold me, hold me, hold me. Feel so holy.
So you guys, I hope this video was helpful, okay? And as I get out of here, I'm gonna tell you guys, as usual, stay blessed, stay motivated, and stay close to God. Remember, God doesn't want to hurt you. He never wants to trick you. He loves you and he cares for you. And I will talk to you all in the next one. Bye.
This open,